If you're trying to download travel invoices from Navan and you're new to the software, this guide will show you exactly how to do it quickly and easily. Stick with me for the next few minutes and you'll learn how to access and download your travel invoices, as well as some tips on navigating the software effectively. First things first, Navan is an all-in-one business travel management tool that simplifies travel booking, tracking, and invoicing. It's widely used for corporate travel, and if you're handling your company's travel arrangements, this tool can save you a lot of time and effort. Now let's dive right into the invoice download process. To download travel invoices from Navan, you'll need to start by logging into your Navan account. Once you're in, you'll be taken to the main dashboard. From here, navigate to the Trips section. This is where all your recent and past travel bookings are listed. If you don't see it immediately, check the sidebar or menu options for travel or bookings. Once you're in the Trips section, select the trip for which you want the invoice. You'll see a breakdown of the details of that trip, including dates, flight information, hotel bookings, and more. To access the invoice, look for the Invoice button or link. Usually it's located at the bottom of the trip details page or in the options menu. Click on the invoice link and you should be presented with an option to download the invoice as a PDF or view it online. Downloading the PDF is as simple as clicking the download button and it will save directly to your device. Now you've got your invoice ready to use for any expense reports or bookkeeping you need. If you're managing travel expenses for a team or a whole company, Navan makes it easy to pull up and download invoices for multiple trips. Just repeat the steps for each trip you need and you can quickly build your records for the month or year. This feature is particularly helpful if you're dealing with a high volume of business travel. For new users, the interface might seem overwhelming at first, but once you get used to the layout, you'll find that it's very intuitive. Navan also offers other features that can help streamline travel expense tracking, such as automated receipt management, integration with accounting software, and even real-time reporting for finance teams. I know navigating new software can feel like a challenge at first, but Navan's support team is really helpful, and they offer extensive guides, FAQs, and live support for any troubleshooting you might need. If you're looking to make the most of the software, take some time to explore the other features that can help with booking, managing, and even optimizing travel spend. As you can see, downloading travel invoices from Navan is simple, but there's more to Navan than just managing invoices. By learning how to make the most out of this powerful tool, you can streamline your whole travel management process and save time and money. By the way, if you're new to Navan, you can try it completely free through the exclusive link below. You'll get an extended trial to explore all of its features, including invoice management, so you can see for yourself how it can benefit your company. The best part? There are no hidden fees, and you get access to premium features during your trial. Don't forget to grab your free trial using the link in the description. You'll be up and running in no time. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you get your invoices from Navan with ease.